Trigonometric equations. Some more problems. So first one is sine theta equals to minus 1 by 2. We have to find the principal solution. So sine negative you can write in third quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. Third quadrant 5 plus and 1 by 2 is 5 by 6. Or you can write fourth quadrant angle in clockwise direction, that is minus 5 by 6. So in the options we have minus 5 by 6. So principal solution is equals to minus 5 by 6. Cos theta equals to cos 5 pi by 4. What is the principal general solution? Direct 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Alpha is 5 pi by 4 and belongs to z. Next, 3 secant square theta equals to 4. You convert into cos. So cos square theta equals to 3 by 4. If the square is there, here also you have to write the square only, root 3 by 2 whole square. So we can write this one cos square pi by 6. Cos square theta equals to cos square alpha. General solution is n pi plus or minus alpha. So cos n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Next, fourth one, cos 2 theta equals to cos square theta. So you can write cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. And this is equals to cos square theta. So if you take to this side cos square theta equals to 1. So 1 also you can write a cos square 0 degrees. So general solution is theta equals to n pi plus or minus 0. So that is nothing but n pi n belongs to z. So general solution is n pi. Next, fifth one. Two equations are given. Sin theta equals to root 3 by 2. Cos theta equals to 1 minus 1 by 2. So first we have to decide the quadrant. Sin positive, cos negative. In third sin second quadrant. So second quadrant angle pi minus. You will get pi minus pi by 2. That is sin 2 pi by 3. Same angle you have to write for the second one also. Same you will get it. So cos 2 pi by 3. Otherwise no solution. So general solution is theta equals to 2n pi plus alpha. Alpha is here 2 pi by 3 and belongs to z. Next, cos 2 theta equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And this is known angle cos 75. So 5 pi by 12. This is cos 2 theta. So 2 theta equals to 2n pi plus or minus 5 pi by 12. So theta equals to n pi plus or minus 5 pi by 24 and belongs to z. So this is the general solution. Next, given equation sin 270 minus x equals to cos 292. So sin 270 minus x we know minus cos x. So to get here also we write cos minus to get minus 180 plus 112. So that you will get minus third quadrant negative. So minus cos 112 minus minus will cancel. So cos x equals to cos 112 degrees. And we have to write the values between x belongs to 0 to 2 pi only. So general solution is 2n pi plus or minus alpha is 112 degrees. So but we have to write the values between 0 to 2 pi. So for n equals to 0, you will get 112 degrees. For n equals to 1, plus or minus we will get, but only we will take plus because between 0 to 2 pi only we have to write. So for n equals to 1, 2 pi plus 112 is more, so minus 112. So 316 minus 15 is 248 degrees. So these two values belongs to 0 to 2 pi. The remaining value is beyond this interval. Next, 8 1, given equation is cos square theta minus sin theta equals to 1 by 4. So here it is possible to converting into sine. 1 minus sine square theta minus sin theta equals to 1 by 4. So 4 minus 4 sine square theta by taking cross multiplication minus 4 sine theta equals to 1. So taking all terms to one side, 4 sine square theta plus 4 sine theta plus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. So factors of 12 are so plus 6 sine theta minus 2 sine theta minus 3 equal to 0. So 2 sine theta common. So 2 sine theta plus 3 minus 1 common. 2 sine theta plus 3 equals to 0. So total we get 2 sine theta minus 1 into 2 sine theta plus 3 equal to 0. So sine theta equals to 1 by 2 or minus 3 by 2. Sine theta equals to minus 3 by 2, but this is not possible because it does not lie between minus 1 and plus 1. So only one solution, sine theta equals to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 you can write sine pi by 6. So general solution is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 6. So this is the answer. Next, 9th one. Tan theta plus tan 2 theta plus root 3 tan theta tan 2 theta equals to root 3. So tan theta plus tan 2 theta equals to, we take this term to right side and we take root 3 common. So that we will get 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. So if you divide this with this term, what is it? Tan theta plus tan 2 theta by 1 minus root 3, 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. So it is equals to root 3. It is in the form of tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan theta plus 2 theta equals to root 3. So tan 3 theta equals to root 3, you can write tan pi by 3, tan 60. So 3 theta equals to n pi plus alpha, only plus alpha. So theta equals to n pi plus pi, n pi by 3 plus pi by 9 and belongs to z. So this is the general solution of given equation. Next, 10th one. 3 cos square theta minus 2 root 3 sin theta cos theta minus 3 sin square theta equals to 0. So you can converting into sin or cos. So I am dividing it cos square. So 3 minus 2 root 3 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta gives tan theta minus 3 tan square theta. By converting, by dividing with cos square theta, we will get it. So by taking minus common, 3 tan square theta plus 2 root 3 tan theta minus 3 equals to 0. So you can write the factors 3 tan square theta plus 3 root 3 tan theta minus root 3 tan theta minus 3 equal to 0. 3 tan theta common. So tan theta plus root 3 minus root 3 common. Tan theta plus root 3 equal to 0. So totally we get 3 tan theta minus root 3 into tan theta plus root 3 equal to 0. So we get tan theta values. Root 3 by 3 is 1 by root 3. R you will get tan theta equals to minus root 3. So 1 by root 3 you can write tan pi by 6. So general solution is n pi plus pi by 6. Minus root 3 you can write tan minus pi by 3. So general solution is theta equals to n pi minus pi by 3. N belongs to Z. So these two solutions union is the solution set of the given equation. Next equation, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x equals to 5. So divide with 5 on both sides. So you will get cos x, first time writing cos x, 4 by 5 plus sin x 3 by 5 equals to 5 by 5 is 1. So here you take cos alpha equals to 4 by 5. Sin alpha equals to 3 by 5. To write a single cos function I am taking like this. So from this you can write tan alpha equals to sin by alpha by cos alpha, that is 3 by 4. So alpha is tan inverse 3 by 4. Now substituting all these values, cos x cos alpha plus sin x sin alpha equals to 1. This is cos x minus alpha, and 1 you can write a cos 0. Cos 90. Cos 90. So x minus alpha equals to 2n pi cos 0 only, cos 0. So cos 0 to n pi plus or minus 0. So x equals to 2n pi plus alpha. And what is alpha? 2n pi plus alpha is tan inverse 3 by 4. 0 only, cos 0 1. So we get x minus alpha equals to 2n pi, x equals to 2n pi plus alpha, and alpha is tan inverse 3 by 4. Next equation, cos 3 theta minus cos 4 theta equals to cos 5 theta minus cos 6 theta. So applying transformations, before going to apply transformations, cos 3 theta plus cos 6 theta to get common term. Cos 5 theta minus cos 4 theta minus if you take plus cos 4 theta. Cos C plus cos B. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 9 theta by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. 3 theta by 2. And similarly 2 cos 9 theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 equals to 0. So cos 2 cos 9 theta by 2 common. Cos 3 theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2 equals to 0. So cos 9 theta by 2 equals to 0. Product 0 means A0 or B0. And again if you apply the transformation for this, minus 2 sin theta plus 2 plus D by 2. 3 theta by 2 plus theta by 2 by 2. Sin C minus D by 2. 3 theta by 2 minus theta by 2 whole by 2 equals to 0. So similarly here by equating equal to 0, sin, this is 2 theta by 2 sin theta equal to 0, or 3 theta minus theta, theta by 2 is sin theta by 2 is 0. So sin theta is 0 for theta equals to n pi. Sin theta by 2 0 is the same theta by 2 equals to n pi. So theta equals to 2 n pi. And a cos 9 theta by 2 equals to 0 implies 9 theta by 2 equals to odd multiples of pi by 2, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So theta equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, 2 will cancel, so 2n plus 1 into pi by 9. And here, what is the common solution from 1, 2, and 3? So general solution is, if you observe, this is n pi and this is 2n pi. Both answers will, all values from 2n pi is also belongs to n pi. So no need to write 2 times. So general solution is n pi, n belongs to z union 2n plus 1 into pi by 9, n belongs to z. N plus 1 into pi by 9, n belongs to z. No need to write 2n pi because in n pi all values from 2n pi also belongs to n pi. So the general solution is this one. Next problem. Sin 7 theta plus sin 4 theta plus sin theta equals to 0 and theta lies between 0 to 91. Same sin c plus sin d. We have to apply for sin 7 theta plus sin theta plus sin 4 theta. So sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2. 8 theta by 2 is 4 theta. Cos c minus d by 2. 6 theta by 2 is 3 theta. Plus sin 4 theta equal to 0. So sin 4 theta common. 2 cos 3 theta plus 1 equal to 0. So sin 4 theta equal to 0 or cos 3 theta equals to minus 1 by 2. Sin theta 0 for n pi. So 4 theta equals to n pi, theta equals to n pi by 4. And cos theta minus 1 by 2. So this is cos 120 value minus 1 by 2. So 3 theta equals to 2 n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. So theta equals to n pi 2 n pi by 3 plus or minus 2 pi by 9. So now we have to write the values between 0 to 90. So from first one by putting n equal to 0, 0 belongs to that interval. Putting n equals to 1 pi by 4, n equals to 2, pi by 2 also included. Next more than this. Next 2 and 5 by 3 by putting n equal to 0 plus 2 pi by 9 belongs to that interval. Next by putting n equals to 1, 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 means 120, 120 minus 40, 80. 2 pi by 3, 120, 120, 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. What is this value? 2 pi by 9. So 6 pi minus 2 pi, 4 pi by 9. 4 pi by 9 means 80. By putting n equals to 1, 2 pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 9. So these are the values between 0 to 90. Next last one. Tan pi cos x equals to cot pi sin x. So you can write this one as tan 90 minus pi sin x. So pi is cos x equals to general solution n pi plus alpha. Alpha is here pi by 2 minus pi sin x. Throughout equation we can cancel pi and by 10 minus sin x to this side. Cos x plus sin x equals to n plus 1 by 2. And to write the single function, we have to write and we have to find cos x minus pi by 4. So we divide with 1 by root 2. Sin x into 1 by root 2 equals to n plus 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. So you can write this one as cos x minus pi by 4 equals to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2, and n is integer. But cos values lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So by putting n equals to 0 and minus 1, you will get these two values. X minus pi by 4 equals to plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. These two values only lies between the interval. So you will get this.